guys, welcome to my class. So pull a chair and let's start this lesson. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated or prompted with the lessons that I'm gonna share to you in this channel. Okay, so what's gonna be our lesson for today? Well, I know you have experienced ordering in a restaurant or in a fast food chain, and sometimes the waiter or the crew, particularly the cashier, will ask questions like, is it for dine-in or take-out? Well, sometimes whenever I ordered food in a fast food chain or in a restaurant and somebody will ask me if it's for dine-in or takeout, I politely correct them with the right question. So it's okay if it's dine-in because it means you're gonna eat in that restaurant or in that fast food chain. But what about if you order food and you're gonna eat it somewhere else? Well, I told them that if the order or the meal or the food that is ordered has no drinks, it should be take out. But if you order food or meal with drinks, it should be eat out or to go. Okay, so common mistakes that I often hear whenever I go to fast food chains or restaurants. So I hope this video will, if you're gonna share it to them, this will help them to realize when to use take out, eat out, or to go. I hope you learned something for today. So it's not really bad to correct mistakes, but be polite in correcting their mistakes. Okay, so I hope you learned something from our lesson today, and please don't forget to share this video to other or to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you will be updated with the lessons that I'm gonna take up in this channel. So for the meantime, bye!